How to set up ORBOT for the first time. Our guest needs to set up ORBOT if you are using it for the first time. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's start into the video. To get started, first of all, download ORBOT from the Google Play Store. If you don't know how to download it, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once installed, just simply open the app. Once you open the app, you will see a start button which you can see at the bottom of this section. This will activate the Tor network on your device. Just simply tap on it. Next, you can choose your connection type. ORBOT will take a few seconds to establish a secure Tor connections. Once connected, you will see a green onion icon indicating that your device is now routed through the Tor network. You can now browse anonymously using ORBOT enabled app like Firefox or Tor browser. Use the VPN mode to route all your phone's traffic through Tor. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna set up ORBOT for the first time. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.